Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to show you how to enter the service diagnostic mode on this Whirlpool Swash clothing care system. Now we're going to go ahead and put the unit into a service diagnostic mode. The first thing we're going to do is unplug the unit. We do have the unit plugged into a watt meter. This is going to be useful in the service diagnostic mode. We're going to go ahead and reconnect power, and within 30 seconds of power up, we're going to go and do a keypad dance. And the keys that will be pressed is X10, X15, X, 10, 10, X, 15, 15. All your lights should light up, and this is going to enter the service diagnostics mode. So right now we hear the pump running. So the pump relay is turned on the control board. And we're pulling 57 watts on the watt meter. Now wattage dropped to 0. Now our fan relay is turned on, and you can hear the fan running. We're pulling about 56 watts with the fan running. Now at this point, our heater is powered, and we're going to be pulling roughly 1,350 watts if the heater is coming on. Now that the diagnostic mode has completed, the unit basically just goes back into a sleep mode, and we have verified that all the components are functioning properly. That's our testable in service diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.